Good morning, student. I am Akhilesh Kumar, TGT English, January Palamutu. Today we will learn Treasure Within Class 8 of Supplementary Reader. So let we start. If we talk about the profile of Hafiz Contractor, he was born on 19 June 1950 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He belongs to a Parsi family and he was an Indian nationalist. His mother was Roshan, who was a teacher, and his father was a contractor. The name of his father was Saurabh. He was a businessman. As far as concerned to his education, he did his graduate diploma in architecture from Mumbai in 1975 and completed his graduation from Columbia University, New York, USA, on a Tata scholarship, and they went on to pursue a postgraduate degree from Columbia University in New York. Presently, he is a member of the Bombay Heritage Committee and New Delhi Lutyens Bungalow Zone Review Committee, designed by Hafiz Contractor. If we talk about his education, his school life, Hafiz Contractor is a leading architect of India. But as a schoolboy, he did not do well. From the third standard onwards, he seemed to have lost all interest in studies. He was bad at language. He hated mathematics. He had nightmares about his mathematical exam. He used to copy in every test until he reached class 11. He was pulled up at school. He received a caning every week. He didn't bother and he was interested in playing and nothing else. Contractor Hafiz believed on action, not about theory. As a schoolboy, Hafiz Contractor was more interested in games and playing funny pranks on others. He was a gang leader and could have gang fights. He would plan strategies. He was the captain of the school cricket team. Hafiz says that he has learned more by doing than from the books. As for himself, the school life made him a street smart. If we talk about the interest of Contractor Hafiz, at school, Contractor was more interested on other things than studies. If it rained outside the class, he would think of the flowing water into a dam. He would dream how much water the dam would hold every Saturday. The students were allowed to go to a movie. Hafiz was the leader and he collected money from students to book tickets. The advice of Principal Berg in his life, Hafiz Contractor passed his matriculation only by copying. However, when he reached his 11th class, the principal called him and advised him to act as a responsible grown-up boy and take his studies seriously. The principal's advice had a deep influence on Hafiz. For a whole year, he didn't go to playground and studied all his books starting right from 5th class. As a result, he scored 50% marks in his SSC exam. We talk about the college education of Contractor Hafiz. Hafiz wanted to join the police force, but his aunt wanted him to do his graduation. It was not easy to join a college with only 50% of marks, but Hafiz got admission in Jai Hind College, Mumbai by influence. Hafiz had to opt for either French or German. He had studied French at school, but knew nothing about it. He decided to take German, but after some time, his German teacher died. So finally he had to take up French. How he had gone to the career of an architect, Hafiz Contractor started learning French from his cousin, whose husband was an architect. So Hafiz Contractor had to go to an architect office. One day he saw somebody drawing a window in his office. Hafiz pointed out the mistake in the sketch and told the man that the window would not open. Later, it was found that Hafiz was right. His cousin's husband was impressed. He asked Hafiz to draw a few sketches and design of a house. Hafiz did it well at once. The architect asked him to give up everything and join architecture. Lake Castle apartment designed by Hafiz Contractor. How he had become an architect. The architect took Hafiz contacted to the principal of the college for architecture. But admission was quite impossible for Hafiz contacted with only 50% marks. The principal allowed him to appear the entrance test. He got A+ grade. He stood first class, first all the subsequent examination. After that he never looked back. He did his graduate diploma in architecture from Mumbai in 1975 and completed his graduation from Columbia University, New York, USA on a Tata scholarship. He always works on the client satisfaction. He looks at client's face, his clothes, the way he talks and pronounces, the way he eats, and in this way he relates the pupil comfortably and he sketches very spontaneously on a paper on the spot, and that paper he gives to his pupil for work on it. There are some of the works you can see. In these given pictures, we can see the perfection in the architecture. Thank you.